conditions and the fact that he did confirm they're sending help over to Ottawa where they got some building damage.
Let's go to Mike Jansen to update us on all the watches and warnings that are going on right now because there are quite a few out there.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, King County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, southern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until at 5:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Marengo to near Malta, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elgin, Schaumburg, Hoffman Estates, Carroll Stream, Carpentersville, St. Charles, Algonquin, West Chicago, McHenry, Batavia, Woodstock, Geneva, Lake Zurich, Sycamore, Wilconda, Barrington, Island Lake, Marengo, Genoa, and Sleepy Hollow, including the following interstates: Interstate 88 between mile markers 101 and 108, Interstate 90 between mile markers 22 and 47. This includes Elgin Community College, King County Cougars Ballpark, and McHenry County College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This is going to go on for a while. Again, the tornado watch runs till 10 o'clock, but we have mono guidance.
This is no weather.